These Hero Fusion videos are blowing up Instagram right now. This page has got more than 50,000 followers, and all his videos are getting millions of views. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to make them by yourself. Here is the one I had created in just 2 minutes. First, open ChatGPT. Here, go to Explore GPTs and search for Hero Fusion Generator. Once you start the generator, it will provide us 10 different video ideas. For example, I am going with first one. Then it will provide us a before image prompt, an after image prompt, and 2 video prompt. Now copy the first image prompt. Now open Top View AI. The link is in the description. Here, open text to image. Choose Model Nano Banana 2. Paste the prompt here. Choose your aspect ratio and number of outputs. Then hit generate. Here is how mine came out. Captain America and Magneto side by side in a war scene. It already looks like a movie scene. Save the image you like. Now go to Image Edit. Here, upload the image we had just created. Now copy the second image prompt from GPT. Paste it here and hit generate. And our second image is also ready. Magneto web texture wrapped over Captain Armor. Save this also. Now go to Image to Video. Here, choose the model Kling 3.0. Add your first image as his start frame and second image as end frame. Go back to GPT, copy the video prompt. Paste it here. Choose the video duration 8 seconds and hit generate. And for second video, upload the second image as first frame. Paste the second video prompt here. Choose video duration to 5 seconds and hit generate. And it's that simple. Align both the videos in any editing software and your video's ready. Here are some other videos I had made using the same method. So that's the full workflow. All the links you need are provided in the description. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next niche.